What is going on? Welcome to the channel, to the new video. I will drive today and wash my car. Then we will drive to a scenery road here in South Germany. And today we have a beautiful drink, Gönnergy. It's from a German streamer, energy drink. So we will drink this one and then I need my keys. Let's go. I couldn't believe it when I saw how many kilometers I already drove with this car. So I got this car with 7 kilometers, and now after 6 months or 5 months I got already 10,000 kilometers. So I really drive a lot. It's typical autumn, fall weather, but I love it. It's a beautiful day, as you can see. So I will really enjoy the drive, wash the car, everything will be clean again. The scenery will look amazing if we will drive to this panorama road, as I would say. Oh, there's police. Waiting for someone to catch, but not me today. Sometimes you're so lucky with the traffic lights. These kind of days, I love them, because there are also other days where you drive on a traffic light and every time it's red, and then some traffic lights, I don't know, some traffic lights, there are no people, there are no other cars, but they are so damn long red. Look at the clouds, everything is green, yellow, brown. I don't know if you can see it on camera like it is, but yeah, like the mountains, scenery is beautiful. But let me drive now to the gas station. Okay, looks not that crowded, not many people. One has finished with washing his car, so I can drive in. I love it. Okay, car is clean again. Look, normally if I wash the car after 5 minutes it's raining, so till now it looks good. And now we will drive around, right? Have some fun with the car. But I have to say, I will not wash my car at this gas station anymore. I had no chance to clean my carpets that good, that there was not enough space for that. And then also when a other car is on your side or against you, then it was also not like I have a different spot, then I will wash the car there. It's also good. Oh, how many ambulances here. Holy shit, what is going on there? Hopefully nothing serious. I don't know how you like it or if you enjoy it, but I have some I love to do McDonald's breakfast, and I also want kind of a person who is looking for fitness and gym, this kind of lifestyle, yeah, with protein shakes and so on and so on. But so McDonald's breakfast, it has something. There is something behind this McDonald's breakfast. I loved it. Unfortunately, I cannot play some music because of copyright, so I can only play copyright-free music. This is a typical German city, small city where you don't find you don't find a Zara or H&M or something like that here. There are small shops. You have a lot of kebab stores here, to be honest, which are also fine. Asia restaurants, like I think 100,000 people live here. So yeah, not very big, not very small. I don't know if you see the castle there, but we will drive this road to the castle now. So it will take some time. Unfortunately, I saw that I don't have that many battery left, so this is very unfortunate. So I have to really look what takes I can take, or where I have to record or where not. So here you should see it. There is the castle, and then there is a beautiful road to the castle, and we will follow this road. And there is one spot I know where you can sit down, have a break from life and enjoy the view only. Beautiful. So look, the scenery, the mountains. Now the sun is really shining, really beautiful. Looks amazing. And this car is fast. It's a solid one. Look at this. Let's enjoy the scenery. It looks beautiful. I hope the super view of the GoPro settings, which I have at the moment, that you like them. Okay, here I can overtake them. Scenery is amazing. I enjoy this drive. I love that. I mean, look at this. I have to, before I do these drives, I have to put the stuff away. Otherwise, you hear the money. It's nice to drive in the summer, but the autumn drives, I really like to enjoy them. Because the forest looks amazing, very colorful. Normally it's like green, but now it's mixed green, brown. Street is a little bit wet. If you drive mountains, then I really see the benefit of xDrive, because even the street is a little bit wet on some parts. It has a lot of grip. Oh no, I'm wrong, totally wrong. Let's drive one street further. I think you can drive here, and there is the spot. Careful, little child. Unfortunately, and that's why I wanted to drive here, I forgot my energy drink. God damn it. And by the way, I have the perfect shoes for this kind of walks. White shoes on the grass. But let's see. So the spot is, I don't know why, they put some glasses here. Like it looks like glasses, and also on Google Maps the spot is the name, has the name in German like glasses. But yeah, I think because of the view, you have a really clear view of the scenery. Okay, that's the view. Really nice. I will sit on the bench now, enjoy the view. Thanks for watching and have a nice one.